What's good, guys? Your boy A Lot of Girth here again to go over the next part in my 2021 fireworks stash. It's a brown box, so you can't really tell what it is. 61 pounds. This thing's big, guys. This is the biggest one I've had so far. Let's open up. See what we got inside. Everybody that's tripping on the labels and the names being on it, look, it's gone. Shut that shit up already. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, look at this. What do we got here? Damn. This is a two-piece, guys. Two-piece finale cake. This is the Mighty Transformers. There's where it's joined together right there. Man, this thing is freaking huge. I only have one of these, so I'm definitely not going to be giving you guys a demo on this until the 4th of July. This is a big ass cake. Wow. A lot of people are looking for this cake right now. A lot of people don't have it, weren't able to get it this year, but you know your boys got it. And it's going to be the centerpiece of my finale on the 4th of July. Stay tuned if you guys want to see a demo of that. And if you have any questions or comments, please comment down below. Like this video. Give your boy a thumbs up. Out.